Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today in this video we are going to learn words starting from letter Q. Q for queen. Q for quail. Q for Q. Q for kilt. Q for quill. Q for quarantine. Q for cushion. Q for query. Q for quiet. Q for quit. Q for quack. Q for quiz. Q for quote. Q for QR code. Q for quads. Q for quake. Q for quarter. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.